Hey guys, welcome to my February update on my portfolio. At the start of this video, I'd just like to say leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy the videos. It really supports the channel. So today I just want to talk about what's happening in the market at the moment. So there's been a bit of a dip this week. So on Monday, Dow was at around 31,000, and as you can see now below 30,000. So, and that's across the board, like the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. So this kind of downtrend for the past week is potentially a buying opportunity. Everyone else is focused elsewhere in the market, for example on GME and AMC. And while everyone else is distracted over there, we could be taking advantage of this buying opportunity. If you have your stocks listed like me in Yahoo Finance, just you can sort your total change by percentage, and then you can look at the stocks that are the lowest below where you bought at, and presumably if you have good conviction with all the stocks that you bought, these should be the ones that you are looking to buy. Personally for me, these two are spec plays, so I will not be buying anymore. They were just some speculative money that I had sitting in my account. I kind of allocate a certain amount of money in my portfolio to speculative buys. I wouldn't want to go more than around $1,000 for speculative plays. So at the moment my spec plays are Blackberry, sorry, Bed Bath & Beyond and CCIV. And obviously CCIV has done well, but these two not so much, just kind of due to when I bought them and everything that's going on with the meme stocks. I do not recommend buying any of them, even though obviously I've put a little bit in associated meme stocks. So I also want to advocate keeping cash on the sidelines. Obviously I'm not a professional and I can kind of just tell you my opinions and what I'm planning on doing, and I think that I should be keeping cash on the sideline at the moment for the potential of a correction in the market, which could be, up to kind of 10%, or if we have a crash, there's always a chance of a crash. You always hear people saying, like, if you look at any time in the market, there's always people who will say there's a crash coming or there's a correction coming, and if you look for it, you can also find the exact opposite. You can always find people who say the market is going to go up, and obviously one of them's always going to be right, one side or the other, but it's impossible to know who's right and who's wrong. If everyone knew who was right and who was wrong, then obviously it would make no difference because it'd all be priced in. So things to consider with that. It could be a good buying opportunity right now, but personally, if the market goes up, Monday US time, so tomorrow morning, I will not be buying anything, because yes, we've had a bit of a downtrend and I haven't really been buying anything in this downtrend, but there is the chance for it to go lower, and I don't have a lot of cash on the sidelines at the moment, due to the fact that I'm renovating my house and I'm having to spend a lot of money on that. So I'm probably just gonna not put any more money in for a while, especially if it starts going up this week. If it goes down by another significant amount, I may consider finding some cash to put in there. But yeah, for now I'm not planning on doing that. In terms of good buys, in my opinion, at the moment, there's Shopify. Maybe Edit could be a good buy. Tattooed Chef and Qualcomm. That's probably all I'd consider at the moment, as well as the ARK ETFs. All the ARK ETFs have taken like a pretty decent dip. I'm pretty sure it's all of them, at least all the ones that I track. So yeah, Print, ARKG and ARKK have all taken a pretty decent dip. So those are all decent buys in my opinion. So I mean, if you agree and you want to buy, it's fun. Enjoy. But I mean, if you don't agree, obviously, this is just my opinion. I could be right, could be wrong, who knows. But I would advocate keeping some cash on the sidelines. And I do have a question for you guys. I was just wondering, how often do you want me to put out portfolio update videos, and how long do you want them to be, and kind of like what do you want to see in them? Like, do you want to just see all my percentages? Do you want to see the good ones, the bad ones, or do you want to see just my Sharesies portfolio, or just Hatch or something? Or do you want to just hear my thoughts on the market, or just kind of a bit of everything? Just let me know in the comments, and yeah, I should be able to change up what I'm doing to try and meet what you guys are actually wanting to listen to and watch. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section, and leave a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See ya.